Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Monica Pharmacy Made Easy by Monica. Today we will discuss some important definitions and some important questions, short questions that might be asked in the exams, in competitive exams कि छोटे छोटे definitions क्या होती हैं, ठीक है? So and the important questions will be from the reproductive system. Okay, very smart. So the first question is what is gametogenesis? ठीक है, गैमेटोजेनेसिस क्या होती है? गैमेटोजेनेसिस मीन्स फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैमीट्स. सिंपल, गैमीट फॉर्मेशन. कौन से गैमीट्स होते हैं? द टू टाइप्स ऑफ गैमीट्स आर स्पर्म एंड ओवम. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू डिटेल दिस, सो गैमेटोजेनेसिस मीन्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म मीन्स स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस and formation of ovum means oogenesis. So these are the two small definitions that we can summarize in this gametogenesis. The formation of gametes, that means sperm from testis and ovum from ovary, is the process of gametogenesis. And gametogenesis में दो process आते हैं, that means spermatogenesis and oogenesis. That can be described in the definitions. ठीक है. Next question is what are the disorders of male reproductive system and female reproductive system? So male reproductive system में कुछ selective होते हैं, like for example the disorders include cancer of the testis or the penis, penicular or testicular cancer हो सकता है. Erectile dysfunction can be the other disorder. BPH, benign prostate hypertrophy, can be the other disorder. Hydrocele, hypospadiasis and libido. ठीक, so these are some of the male reproductive system disorders. Female reproductive system के disorders की बात करें तो it can cause PCOS, which is very common these days, means polycystic ovary syndrome. PCOS, it can cause fibroids in the female ovary, it can cause endometriosis, it can cause menstrual problems like dysmenorrhea, hypermenorrhea. ठीक है, these are some of the disorders related to your menstruation. Breast cancer can be there, breast में fibrosis हो सकते हैं. So these are some of the disorders of female reproductive system. The other question is where does fertilization occurs in the female? So the fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube, which is connected with the fallopian duct and the ovary. So in the fallopian tube, the fertilization of sperm and ovum occurs in this place. Now what is ovulation? Ovulation is the process of release of ovum on the 14th day of the menstrual cycle. ठीक है, there are 4 phases और fourth phases में जो हमारी third phase होती है, that is ovulation. तो 14th day पे ovulation, that means ovum release होता है from the your mature Graafian follicle. Next question is what is transcription and translation? So transcription means the conversion of DNA into RNA, that means copying one of the DNA segment into RNA. So the conversion of DNA to RNA is called transcription, and translation is the formation of protein, or you can say protein synthesis from RNA by the help of mRNA, messenger RNA, that is called translation. So simply the process of synthesis of protein or protein synthesis is called translation. Next question is what are the different phases of menstruation? So there are total 4 phases of menstruation. The first one is your secretory phase, luteal phase, ovulatory phase, and the last one is your menstrual phase. Okay, so these are the 4 types of phases of the menstruation. Now what is pregnancy and parturition? So if you talk about the definition of pregnancy, the gestation time period of 9 months starting from the fertilization till the childbirth is called pregnancy. And in this total 9 months, or you can say 36 weeks, ठीक है, 9th month या 36 weeks का जो time period होता है for the development of the baby inside the womb is called pregnancy time period, and the process of delivery of the baby is called parturition. Okay, last question is what is spermatogenesis and oogenesis? So again the formation of sperm from the testis इज कॉल्ड स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस, जिसमें हमने स्टडी किया था दैट डिप्लॉयड सेल से हमारी हेप्लॉइड सेल में फॉर्मेशन कन्वर्ट होता है, मीन्स 46 नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोजोम से द क्रोमोजोम नंबर रिड्यूसेस टू 23 नंबर ऑफ chromosomes. And what is oogenesis? The process of formation of ovum from ovary, again by following the simple process of conversion of diploid into your haploid cell is called oogenesis. ठीक है, so these are some of the important questions, or you can say important definitions of the reproductive system. Now in the next video we will be discussing about the important questions of the other units, that means your respiratory system and other units. Thank you.